If you look at my screen, guys, you must have had over 28 customers from just two products. So I'm going to go to my dashboard and click on all products. I'm going to click on products. It's loading. Just give it a little time. It's loading. Okay, so you can see I have just two products here. Just two products. The ABCR strategy, and you can see I kept that for about 2,900 for six, and I've had six sales from it. And you can see the second one is the second product. I've had 13 sales. I kept it for 5,500 naira. In total, I've had 28 sales from everything in general. So I'm going to my dashboard. I'll also show you I'll show you my sales so that I see that this is actually working. I will show you my sales. So I'll just click on sales. It's loading. Just believe it and let it load. So in just a few couple of days, I've made 44,000 naira. I just started this account just about 3 days ago, mind you. I've made 44,000 naira, 19 sales, and 255 Ghana cedis. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to make your first sale here on the online space with the platform we call Selar.com. If you've been struggling online trying to make a sale with no result or zero success, then this very particular video is for you. I will show you the secret strategy towards the end of this video. The secret strategy. The first step in order to start making money on Selar.com is to get a winning product. And to get a winning product, we need to first create our account. So I will show you how to create your account because I want this video to be in-depth. I'm not going to be gatekeeping anything. I'm leaving no stone unturned. So go to your Chrome browser and you're searching for this platform, Selar.com. Selar.com. Click on enter. It's going to load for a few seconds. Probably my network is not that strong, so I'll just give it a few seconds to load. So this is how your dashboard is going to look like. You can see it's very user interface is very friendly and easy to access. So we're going to click on start selling on Selar. Click on start selling and you see create your Selar account. You're going to scroll down. I'm going to put in your details. I'm going to put in your first name, put in your last name, your email address. You're going to put your real email address since you're going to be using the account to make money, so you don't need to do anything sketchy. Just put in your real address. I'm going to put in my email address, put in a password. Just choose a password. Choose a password on your own. Scroll down. Then you're going to take it to this place. Say confirm your password. You're going to confirm your password, and it's going to take you to the next step of the video. Mind you, I already have an account, so I'm not really going to create an account from scratch because I already have an account. I'm just trying to show you the process and show you how to get along with yours. So when you've logged in your account, you've created your account, you've confirmed your account through your Gmail, you're going to show you something like this. But you can see since I've already have an account, my own is showing 2 sales. Yours will be showing zero customers, zero product, and a lot of all that. So if yours is showing a customer or affiliate profile, I want you to switch to the creator profile. You can see mine is in the creator profile. The next step we're going to do is to, after switching to the creator profile, is to click on the menu here at the extreme left of the video. Then go to products. Click on product. Click add a new product. So you're just going to load for a few seconds. So wait for it while it loads. So now it's going to show you a couple of options here: digital products, ticket, masterclass, service, subscription, and a whole lot others. But we're going to be sticking with the digital product. So click on next, click on digital product, click on next. So now this is how it looks like, and this is how we're going to upload our product. So now we're in this point now, but the funny part is that we don't have a product. So I'll be teaching you just how to get a product, a winning product that you can post here on Selar. So before we go creating our product, I'm going to telling you the 4 most important niches to select when looking for a product. So the niches are the health niche, and when you talk about the health niche, we'll focus on the adult health. Relationship niche, because a lot of people out there, they have broken relationship and they're looking for a way to fix their relationship. The third one is the finance niche, because especially in the part of the world where I am, West Africa, we have a lot of broke people. The poverty rate is quite on the high rise, so a lot of people out there are looking for how to make money, especially on the online space. So what we're going to do, we're going to leverage on that and create a product regarding the health niche. So in regards to that, we are heading to our browser. I'm going to head on my browser, and what I'm going to click now, I'm going to create a new tab and click on Claude AI. So we are going to be utilizing Claude AI for this particular method. We're going to be creating a PDF with Claude AI from the beginning. To see what I want to do now, I'm going to head on to your Claude AI. I'll click on new chats, and we're going to give it this very, very unique prompt. Okay, we are going to be giving this master prompt to Claude AI in order for it to create the particular ebook we are expecting. You can see I've given the prompt. You can actually screenshot this prompt or check in the description box below. I'm going to be leaving this particular prompt there, or the prompt that is in this video there, so you can also access it. So you can see the prompt we gave it. Write a complete high quality ebook titled How to Make Money Online with Just Your Mobile Phone, targeted at beginners, students, unemployed youth, stay at home mom. The Structure the ebook professionally with a compelling title. You can see the catch here. Cover online making money methods that can realistically be using only a smartphone, including freelancing, TikTok creation, and all of that. You can see that this is actually a legit ebook that Claude is going to create for you. The ebook should be at least 8,000 to 12,000 words. So because I don't want this video to be long, because it will take Claude a couple of minutes or to hours to create a book containing 8,000 words. I will just want to reduce this just for the sake of the video and put it at 100 words. 100 words. I just want to show you guys that it's actually possible for you to create an ebook just using Claude. So what I'm going to click on, I'm going to click on enter. We're going to give it a couple of minutes. Claude is going to do everything for you. All we're going to do is just upload our book onto Selar. It's creating the ebook for us. As it's creating, so we're going to head on to our Seller account and look at other details and requirements that we'll be needing for the product. So before then, so what I want you guys to do, head on to ChatGPT, new chat, and see what we're going to do now. We're going to tell ChatGPT now, we're going to hit on enter. ChatGPT told us what is the ebook about, who is it for. So now we're going to tell ChatGPT what the book is about and who it's for. So we're going to head on to our Claude AI, copy all this and head back to ChatGPT, give it to ChatGPT so it's able to create the cover of the book and all other stuff. Paste it to ChatGPT and it's going to create all those stuff for us. Just give it a little while. You can see ChatGPT has given us a product title. You can see how to make money online with just your mobile phone. This is the subtitle. 5 proven ways beginners can start today without a laptop. So while Claude is creating our ebook, we'll just be filling out other necessary information on our Seller dashboard. So I'll copy this title. I'll just copy this title Claude ChatGPT gave to me, copy it, Ctrl C, and head on to my Seller. Name of product. I'll just click it. Click on, I'll paste it there. So I'll go our price. We're just going to be leaving the price at a considerable amount, because in my opinion, I feel it's easier to sell a cheap product to a lot of people than trying to sell an expensive product to a few people, because the number of poor people out there are more than the number of rich people, and our target audience are the poor people that are trying to make money online. So we're going to leave our product that so it can be affordable. Maybe I would say from a 2,000 naira range to 5,000. So let's leave it in between 3,500 naira. So I'll put 3,500 naira. 3,500 naira. Click 3,500 naira. 500 naira. Then show strike out price. I'm going to click on it. And what does this mean? This means that okay, we're going to show a strikeout price, like making our audience or our customers feel we are giving them a discount. Probably this book was supposed to be 10,000 naira, but because of the promo, we're giving this book out for 3,500 naira. So I'm going to click on 10,000 naira for our strikeout price, 10,000 naira. So leave like that. Then this is our description. This description now we're heading over to ChatGPT and copying the short description they gave us. So this is the description. Learn how to learn how ordinary people are making money using their smartphone. We're just going to copy it, copy this, Control C. After copying it, we're going to head back to our seller dashboard and click on Control V. We're going to paste it. I can see categories. Click on categories. I'm going to put in health and finance. Subcategories. Click on personal finance. Click on personal finance. This product has various. Oh, no, you don't need that. Then over here, digital. Please leave it at digital product. Don't touch that. Leave it at digital product. Give the buyer access to a downloadable file. Yes, because we're going to upload a downloadable file for this particular product. All right, guys. So head back to ChatGPT for the image for the product image. You can see ChatGPT have already created a very eye-catching product image for our ebook. So what I'm going to do, I just want to click on it and click on download. So it's downloaded right to my system. So I'll go back to my seller dashboard and click on upload image file. Upload image file. Browse. I'm going to browse. Click on browse. Click on download. So I'll be seeing. So you can see this is the file. This is the image that we created for us. I'm just going to click on it. It's uploading. I'm going to leave time to upload. Yes, I've successfully uploaded. Click on it. Yeah, click on it. Click on it. Then go down, select file. So you can see it has uploaded. The file has uploaded to our product image. And mind you, all of this I'm doing, you can do it 100% with your mobile device. You can do it with your mobile device. So the next step now is to upload our ebook. So we're going back to Claude to see if Claude has created the ebook for us. So you can see Claude has created the ebook for us. So I just want to download the ebook. Click on download. The ebook is going to download. So I'll go to my download. Then I'm going to click on it. So you can see how the ebook looks like. How it started from how to invest in Nigerian stocks, start an earn passive income. Started from that at chapter 1. You can see I don't want the video to be that long, so I just want to scroll down and show you how the Claude created a complete perfect ebook for us. So without wasting time, I just want to upload this ebook now on our seller. So when you go to our seller dashboard, scroll down, click on upload a file, upload file. So we're still going to browse. When we browse, go to download and see what we just downloaded from Claude AI. Upload it. You can see file successfully uploaded. When you click on it, click on this file, go down, select file. So our file has successfully been uploaded on Seller. So the next one I'm going to do, I'm going to click on create products. Our product is now live. Let me click on the product link so you see how the product looks like. So just clicking on the product link, you can see how the product looks like. It's very, very eye-catching. Especially this is a desktop view. I'm actually viewing this product through a desktop view. If you're viewing it through a mobile device, which 99% of our viewers will be doing, definitely it will be a lot better than what you're seeing now on my screen. So I'm going to scroll down and look at how what the product looks like. You can see the price, 3,500 naira. You can see it's checked out price. What we did there. You go down and you look at the description that we copy from ChatGPT. But since I made a mistake, I see short description. You want to delete all this because I was rushing. I didn't want the video to be that quite long. So now we have passed the first step. We have signed up on Selar. We have gotten our winning product. The next step, which is the most important part of the video, is how am I going to promote my video and get my video to the right people, the right audience that actually need this video. So we're going to focus on two main steps. One is the paid method and one is the free method. So we're going to start with the paid method. The paid method is actually to run Facebook ads, which is very, very efficient. A lot of creators out there, this is what they are actually using to make money with seller.com, and that's what I actually use in this particular video. I've actually tried the free method, but it's not as efficient as the paid one. So we're going to head on to Facebook Ads Manager. I'll go to this my profile and you can see this is what my Facebook Ad Manager looks like. You can also do it on your mobile phone. Your mobile phone, what you're going to do is go to your Play Store or App Store, click on Facebook Ad Manager. It's going to show you the Ad Manager. Download it, then follow the step I'm going to show in this video now. You can see how my Ad Manager looks like. You're going to click on campaign, new campaign. So what I'm going to do now, we are running, what we are running now, we are running a sales campaign. We are running sales campaign. So we're going to click on sales, then click on continue. You no longer need to set up, you don't need that, just click on OK, leave that. This is what I'm going to do now. Okay, new sales campaign. You can just change the name of this, change the name and put it to seller ad, seller ad, seller ad, and click on that. Scroll down, unction type and buying type, unction, campaign objective, sales, leave it at that. Scroll down, scroll down. Your daily budget, our advice for a start, leave your daily budget at something like 1,000 to 2,000, but I'll just leave it at 2,000 naira, 2,000 naira, just for a start. See, click down, click down. Special ad categories, just leave that, you have no business with that. Click on next. So you can see new ad sets. You can change the name, but you can also leave it. So what I'm going to do now, conversion location, websites, because I'm going to be sending our conversions to our seller account. Go performance, maximum number of conversion, leave it at that. Then we are done with this side. You click on next. Then this is the ad set level, where you want to link your Facebook page. Use the page I'm going to be using. If you can also link your Instagram profile, you scroll down. Here you have to play with your audience and your ad creative. Facebook advertising on its own is a very broad topic. So I don't really want to dwell much on this because this video is going to be very, very long. So if you're interested in this Facebook advertising, if you're interested in this Facebook advertising, I've created a step-by-step detailed course on Facebook advertising. So if it's in the link in the description box below, if you're interested in this method, just click on the link. Click on that my course. Everything concerning Facebook advertising, how to make your first sale, how to get to your target audience, and everything in regards to that is in that particular course. So just go there and you're going to be getting it for a very discounted price. So I'm going to be jumping to the next method, which is the free method. And the free method is no other than using social media to leverage your sales. You can go about creating content regarding the topic, the finance niche, the product you just created. You can go to YouTube. You see a lot of video on YouTube regarding to finance, very short videos. Take them, rebrand them through CapCut. Then go to TikTok, because TikTok, their AI is not that strong in detecting reused content. So you can post it there. And with time, if you get to 1,000 followers, you can be able to put your link there on TikTok, and with time you need to make sales. But the most efficient method, which a lot of people are using and they are not willing to tell you, is Facebook advertising. If you gain value from this video, don't leave me a like. And if you have any question to regards with anything I just said in the video, just keep in the comment section. I'm going to be answering your question one after the other.